Hi everyone, it's Jadelyn. Today I'll be opening a package from my BFF Maura. So let's get started. Oh my god, it's so cute! A happy face emoji I can put on my backpack. It's laughing. It's so adorable. Thank you so much, my BFF. And I have a donut. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so adorable. It's so cute. It's so awesome. This is like a squishy football. And it's got flowers. It's really cute. And they have some Littlest Pet Shop mashems or fashions. Oh, cool, the whatnot spot. It's so awesome. Oh, how cute. I have a bunch of ponies. And some eraser pizzas. And a duck and a pen. Oh, so cute! I got Bat Girl. I really love this. Thank you so much, my BFF. It's awesome. And you're totally awesome as well. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Look, I see Belle and a little kitty. And some crusty chocolate bar by Grocery Gang. And a Rapunzel pen. She is beautiful. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my god, they're so cute. So adorable. And we'll read the card. I didn't see the card. It says, "Hi Jadelyn, you are the nicest person I know. You are sweet and kind. You are my superhero. You are always here to save the days. I'm so glad you are my BFF. I am so happy to be your friend always. Be my superhero and save the day. I hope you like everything in here, Maura. People like you who naturally go above and beyond make this world a better place for all of us. Thank you so much. Love you, Jadelyn." It's just a super awesome card. And I feel the same way about you, Maura. Thank you so very much. Now I'm going to open the stuff. This awesome stuff. I'll start with this. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's the unicorn from the Minions. She's so pretty. And a Shopkin eraser. It's so cute. And Anna. I love Anna. She's so cute. Stand up, Anna. This is a, ooh, Fluttershy. I don't think I have this one. Squishy Pop. She even pops on the eraser. That is so cool. And I got My Little Pony. that one. This disco ball is really cool. I can put it on my backpack. And it's really sparkly. I like how it does that. And I got a rollerblade. Ooh, cool. Another keychain. A rollerblade Shopkin I don't have. And I got another eraser of a Shopkin. And I got some lip balm. Nerds grape. It's awesome. Oh, it's so cute. Cool, it's a Lego figure. Then I'm going to open this one. I have these ponies. They're so cute. Oh, that's so cute. I'm going to put him on my bag. Ooh, Olaf likes warm hugs. You are so generous, Maura. Twilight Sparkle. And I got a Mufia. Goat milk. I don't have this one. It's a new one for me. I love it. Thank you so very much. These are all the cards of which ones I have. Stickers are cool. Apple split. These are the ones that say that which ones I have. Tentley. Twitly. Oh, I love the stickers and everything. They're so cool. Look at the grumpy cat. How about no? That's so cool. And this ring is so cute. That's a cute ring. I can put this on my bag. Oh, cool. I'm gonna wear this. It's so awesome. Thank you so much. I love it. And I have a cupcake lip gloss. And a slinky that's pink. And it's got like stripes, like a zebra. Oh, little elephant is so cute. And some more ponies. So cute. A donut eraser. Oh, how cute. A Shopkin. And a little chone. I love everything. They're so amazing. Now I'm going to open this one. Wow, there's a lot of stuff. Oh, how cute, the baseball. Look at his eyes. He's like, oh no. It's so cute. It's nice and squishy. This little duck. And this is Glamour. She's adorable. I'll put her in my purse. And here is Belle. She's beautiful just like Anna. And Christoph. And I got these pens. It's so cute. This one's so cool too. It's got all these different colors. I like going like this. It's so cute. I love it. And I'm going to be doing this one. Ooh, it smells just like strawberries. It's a soccer duck, and this smells like strawberries. How awesome is that? And the pizza erasers. So cute. Let's see. Pizza, pizza, pizza. It's the pizza. See, it makes a whole pizza. Really cool. And now what else should I... Oh, the whatnot spot. It's so cool. Thank you so much. You were so kind and thoughtful and caring. That's the whatnot spot sticker. It's so cool for my nails. It's a nail file. It's really cool. And I need to open up what should I open up next? Batgirl? Or what? Look how cute! She's so adorable! Let's see, am I going to open up this? Yes. I'll open up the littlest pet shop. I'm going to do this in another separate video after this one because I'll make this video too long and my camera's dying. So I want to thank you so very much, Maura. You are so generous, kind, loving, caring, and I'm so happy that you're my BFF. I love you so much. Thank you so much. You are awesome and you rock. And look for my video later of me opening up the doll, the superhero girl, and the grocery gang, and the littlest pet shop fashion mashems. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!